This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Silvia Icaza. Ground floor unit with parking space assigned right outside, it feels like home. Very spacious floor plan with 1,222 square feet. Ample master with 2 walk-in closets, spacious dining and living room area, large screen porch with rollaway shutters. Secured lobby with 24/7 lobby attended. Building features an expansive hall, exercise room, game room, clubhouse with kitchen facilities, a beautiful pool by the lake to enjoy the relaxing view and breeze, barbecue area, minutes to highway access, schools, shopping centers, Aventura Mall, and Aventura Hospital. Additional storage included. For more information, review the details below or contact Silvia Icaza at 786-48